post. But you're going to go down that path without obedience, without showing that you love Christ, without showing that you love Jesus Christ, because you're not keeping his commands. You can go down that path, or you can choose to now approach your Bible study with more intentionality, where you're setting time and you're being consistent. You're like, okay, God, I'm going to show up. And you pray. The important part that people don't do sometimes is praying for God's wisdom, for understanding. Before you start reading, if it feels intimidating, pray about it. Tell God, I'm lost, I'm confused. Even if you struggle with reading, tell God, God, I struggle with reading. I don't know. Reveal something to me, right? Say that. Pray, right? Because sometimes people hesitate to pour their hearts out. But when you read Psalm, the book of Psalms and Lamentations, all of those books, Ecclesiastes, right? Like this is something that people tend to just not pick up or recognize, is that people were pouring out their hearts. That is what God wants. It's for us to come to him when things are good, when things are bad. Doesn't matter what's going on. If you're confused, it doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. When you feel like you're tired, you don't know what to say, like, just pray that. Tell God, like, God, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. I don't feel like praying today. I'm sorry, God. I don't feel like praying today. Can I come tomorrow and pray and spend time with you? Pray that. Because already that right there is a conversation that you need to have. You need to start having an honest conversation with God. Pour it out. Pour it out. But the main thing is don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. And you write it down, even if it's, a short 2 words, 3 words. Just write it down. Just reflect. Because when you write, you're able to reflect on what's going on the thoughts. Keeping it in your mind is not good enough. You have to reflect. You have to reflect on the word. Get deeper, firmer understanding. You have to do that. And for it to really stick, for that depth to come, you also have to apply and remain obedient. Obedient because you love Jesus Christ. You love the Father. That is what you do. And you do this not because, it's because, you are great, you're awesome, but it's because the Father, God, Jesus Christ, he loved you first. He loved you first. And what you're doing is just showing that you love him back. That's what you're doing. So you've got that decision again, is to start digging into the word, reading the word with context, fully understand what the word is saying, to connect with God, to read the stories and the books in their fullness,